Hello, I am Harish Kumar, Associate Professor in the Department of Mechanical Engineering, serving as Dean Academic of National Institute of Technology Delhi also for almost 2 years. NIT Delhi, before establishing Additive Manufacturing Technology Center, so we were having mainly theoretical knowledge. Our students were having either no practical experience or they had very little exposure which they attained in some other institutions such as IITs. So with the establishment of our institute itself in collaboration with Phillips Education, with the help of Phillips Education, our students are getting better knowledge with adequate practical skills and converting them for challenges which are to be required in industry environment. Education has generally providing their material in an online form. Material is very concise and object oriented. So in this way the students are getting information in a very concise manner, but as well as with adequate exposure. So they are getting this knowledge in such a way that they can be self-learner also. I must say, with especially Phillips Education has been organizing a state level competition in additive manufacturing track 2 for year 2024 at NIT Delhi. We have been witnessing this historic moment at the institute and we were getting knowledge, but we did not expect that we will be getting such kind of exposure at our institute itself. Phillips Education is certainly to be recommended, not because we have established collaboration with Phillips Education, but their object-oriented approach, adequate industrial support, because they have so many facilities established in industry at many places. So if we are choosing Phillips Education as our partner, then your students are not getting in-house facilities exposure, but they are being exposed to the industry environment, and in this way the students are getting ready for industrial environment. Hence we are making our students industry ready, which is a very prime requirement of National Education Policy 2020. So we are expected to provide ample skills to the students so that they can meet the industrial challenge. And you will certainly agree that in past 2-3 decades the technology is so rapidly changing that you need to have adequate exposure with dynamic technology in environment.